how to adjust the mirrors if they're too high or too low or too inside or outside. I adjust the mirrors now. This is how you should see them. But when you rent a car, you might not have them adjusted like this. Adjust the mirrors. In the joystick it's pretty easy. So I select right mirror and I use the joystick now up and down. Okay. Let's do it again. It's stuck. This is how I see it. That's how I see it from here. And the other one looks okay. I see it like that. So I select that one. Okay, so when I see it like this, I take my hand now it's too far outside. I select that one. There's a problem. Adjust by hand. So you see a little bit of the car. See a little bit of the car and as far as possible outside. A little bit of the car and far outside. And use your hand like this. That's all. Time to drive.